Alright, so as promised, nagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong unboxing and first impressions review of another set of strings. This time, medyo budget strings naman yung tignan natin ngayon, i-review natin. So, we're coming from the Dario Kaplan Amo. No? So, check nyo yung previous video ko about it. My final impressions and if I would have recommended it. No. So, yun. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa medyo cheaper option. Still coming from the Dario. This is not sponsored, no? Binili ko tong mga set of strings na to. And I wanted to try it for myself because gusto ko magbigay ng option sa inyo, no? Na hindi naman kailangan din gumastos ng sobrang mahal just to get good quality strings, no? Meron din naman tayong mga budget strings na papatok siguro sa panlasa nyo or sa taste nyo as musicians, no? So, we have one here. Okay, so ito siya. The Dario Ascente. So, maraming nagre-request sa akin to do this, no? This review. But, I was a bit hesitant on trying it kasi number one, hindi siya laging available sa mga big box stores. Although, nakita ko sa online retail stores nila meron. Kaya, ayun. So, madali pala siyang ma-procure. And, it's actually on the cheaper side. Less than 2,000 pesos. You get synthetic core, no? Synthetic core na siya versus a steel core, no? Kasi, halos ka-presyo na niya yung Diodario Prelude, which is around almost more than 1,000 pesos, di ba? So I think 1,300 sa ibang stores, but you could get it online a bit cheaper. So I got this online, no? So ililink ko na lang din kung saan siya pwedeng bilhin. Kung meron dito sa mga platforms na to, whether you're watching over on TikTok or YouTube or wherever, ililink ko na lang kung meron. But this is one of their more affordable ones, no? Ang laki, do. Makakabili ka ng 3 amo sa presyo nito. So, the Dario Ascente was specifically designed to help players advance their craft with a wider tonal range, excellent pitch stability and longevity, and superior durability. This synthetic core string gives all musicians a more sophisticated palette that elevates their playing to the next level. Okay. So, with those claims, no, tignan natin kung magiging effective ba talaga siya. So, we'll do a quick unwrapping or unboxing kung ano ba laman nito, no? So, buksan na natin siya. Okay. Ayan. So, madali naman siyang buksan kahit nga hindi mo na putulin yan. So, ito yung laman niya sa loob. There's a card. No? Ito, meron tong something na pwede nyong gamiting code to earn rewards points. Ayan. Ngayon, napansin ko sa The Dario, when they have higher budget strings, no, medyo mas mataas, isa-isa yung balot nila. And usually sa mga cheaper strings nila, they have it like this, no, magkakasama. Same sa Prelude. So ayan, end color chart. Yung ball end niya is gold, orange gold, parang ganon. Tapos yan, E is green, A is black, D is gold, and G is red. So, isa-isa natin, papalitan ko yung mga strings, no? Of course, I'll do it on a live stream. So, tune in kung makakita nyo. And then, we'll go into in-depth, no? And actually test out the strings pagkatapos ko siyang palitan. So, I'll be back in a few. Okay, so kakatapos ko lang live, almost hour and a half din yun. Natatawa ako kasi basta explain ko na lang, okay? So ito na siya. Broken in kahit pa paano. So medyo nasa tono na. So let's just play a scale. Tignan natin kung ano yung quality ng sound na lalabas, okay? So medyo nawawala-wala pa rin siya sa tono. Now, if you were on the live stream, so hindi ako satisfied, no? So, basically, yung sound niya is good. it's a little bit still on the metallic tinge. So, hindi pala natin na-discuss kanina yung mga materials na ginamit sa kanya. So, E is carbon steel, tinned carbon steel. A is aluminum wound synthetic core. D and G, Monel wound. So, first time ko lang din narinig yung Monel na material. So, I did a little bit of research. It's made of nickel and copper. So, nickel and copper. Siguro kaya hindi din ganun kaganda yung projection, no? Kasi, compared to silver, mas maganda yung tapon, no? Ng silver. Now, hindi naman ako, there's nothing, I'm not against the sound. Okay naman siya kahit papano. A little bit on the warmer side or hindi ganun ka-bright yung projection niya. Well, it's expected. Again, this is a cheap set of strings if we're comparing it to other sets, no? But one of the things that I am having difficulty is actually its tension. Sobrang lambot niya. So, nakikita niyo yung give niya. Ayan o. Nagpe-press ako sa first position. Talagang ang lambot niya. Ayun o. So, anong string to? E string. Ayan yung E string. Kita nyo? Bumababa talaga siya. So, kanina, nung nag-live ako, when I was trying it out, nagpe-play ako ng kung ano-anong pyesa. When I do... Nakita niya? Tumatalbog yung bow ko. So, siguro hindi ako makakapag-play ng classical pieces dito. No, na maraming trills. Kasi nga may ganun siyang effect. Pero tignan natin, no? Baka pag nag-expand na siya, na break-in na siya, gumanda yung quality. But overall, right now, siguro sa playing style ko din yun, na malakas talaga ako tumipa. No? So, pag tumitipa ka ng malakas sa kanya, nag-bounce yung strings. That's why naapektuhan din yung bowing. Which doesn't happen to me on higher tension strings. So, just for the sake of a review, of course, this is just the first impressions. I'll try my best na gamitin talaga siya. Put it through real world conditions, sa mga lessons, sa mga performances. But, if it does affect my performances, baka kailangan ko mas magpalit ng mas maaga and I might give my final thoughts without pushing it through its durability. No, kasi nga kung maapektuhan niya yung way of playing mo and it's not gonna work out, no? Syempre mas importante or mas priority natin na makapagbigay ng magandang performances. Anyway, so if you like medium tension strings, talagang yung soft na mako-compare ko siya, it's not as soft as Peter Infeld, pero almost ganun yung feeling niya. Now, if you like that type of softness sa pagdating sa string, edi good for you. Maybe this is a good alternative, lalo na kung off-peak naman, wala masyadong events, wala masyadong tugtog. You just want to have a set of strings on your instrument, tapos magpapalit ka ulit pag ma-bare months na, diba? Usually, gano'n naman talaga ginagawa. Pag season na, ganyan. So, you can try out this set of strings by D'Addario. Pero, tingnan natin. Right now, I don't feel happy sa kanya. Yung sa amo, medyo okay pa kasi hindi niya naapektuhan yung playing ko pag tumitipa ako. Naapektuhan niya lang sa bowing. But this time, yung sa bowing ko, okay. Pero may mga times, especially sa A and D string, na parang minsan nag-whistle siya sa high positions. So, ayun, may naririnig tayo ng mga ganun. Ayan. So, dahil yun sa mababang tension, that's why parang tumatama-tama siya. So, tingnan natin. For the sake of the review, para sa inyo, guys. So, just keep posted, follow nyo ako on all my socials and check it out. No, I will link this in the description box or kung saan man na pwede ko siyang i-link. So if you wanna try them out yourselves, kasi hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan. Again, you can get this for less than 1,500. Less than 1,500 pesos pag naka-sale. So, check nyo na lang din kung magustuhan nyo. At least hindi ganun kamahal. And kahit pa paano makapag-testing kayo ng budget strings. Pwede na namin tawagin budget. Or cheap alternatives for your high-end ng mga strings. Kasi, di ba? It's less than almost, ayun nga, a third of the price ng mga high-end strings. So, pwedeng-pwede talaga siya. Pero tignan nyo din kung maging happy kayo sa magiging performance niya. And if it did, that's good. Yun yung focus natin sa pagbibigay ng mga reviews na to is not just for me, of course, but also for you to have options. And this is, I think, readily available dito sa atin. So, hindi kayo mahihirapan. You can order online, pwede sa physical stores nila. So, you can check it out. Sana magustuhan nyo. Comment down below. And good luck sa inyo. Alright. So, I gave you that chance to settle kagabi. So, yung mga first impressions natin. Tingnan natin ngayon, no? So, medyo lumuwag-luwag. In a sense, parang na-stretched out na siya today, which is a different day. Almost 12 hours na siguro. Mahigit 12 hours na. So, yeah, it's still that medium tension na it's not really my thing. Sa akin lang naman, guys, no? Pero kung mahilig kayo nga sa ganitong klaseng tension ng string, so if you're looking, kasi usually at this price point, though, mahirap maghanap ng low tension or medium tension na strings. Talagang lahat matitigas. But this would give you that softness na baka hinahanap ka. Pero yun nga, same gripe as yesterday. Tingnan nyo. So merong konting so I have to control myself when I do trills for this set of strings kasi naapektuhan niyo yung pagbobow ko. But overall, yun lang naman. When it comes to the sound, what can we expect, diba? For the price point, I think okay naman siya. Not the most powerful sounding coming from Kaplan, Amo nga. No? You can't really compare them kasi magkaibang price range. But overall, good sounding. Medyo may metallic tinge pa din, but you know, it's normal. And medyo nawala na yung pagka nag-whistle-whistle niya on high positions, which is good. Siguro, I'll keep track and update you kung ano man ang mangyayari, no? But again, for less than 1,500, this is a good deal, especially for those na naghahanap ng synthetic core at this price point. I don't think there's a better value when it comes to the price range na bibigay nitong the Dario Ascente. So, check nyo na lang din. Again, ililink ko sa baba if you want to try it out for yourself. And let me know din kung ano yung mga naging experiences nyo. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.